Hello everyone and welcome you all to another tutorial on Figma. So this is the chapter number 13 and I'll be showing you guys how you can use images in this particular application, like how you can import, what are the options, and what all are the ways that we can do. And I'll also show you guys that how you can actually do some basic editing in your image. I'll be showing you guys that. And also we'll be learning if I do have a particular shape or a particular place in my already done web page. So there, instead of color, can I fill that place with an image? So I'll be showing you guys all of this here in this particular class. So let's get started. So now, as you can see, I'm back in the page where I do have a frame here. Okay. So now what I'll be doing is I will click Control plus Shift plus K. And after clicking this, here you can see that this is the shortcut key of how you can get your image popped up screen that you can upload or import image in your particular work. So what I'll do is I'll click on this one and I'll open from here. And as you can see, I do have my image on my mouse. Okay. So here I can choose the size of the image. From here, I can choose this particular size, how I want to put my image. So here, as you can see, I have put my image here. And there is another way, but Control Shift K. And from here, what I can do is I can just drag this particular thing and drop. But here, if I do this, the size of the image I can't maintain from here. But if I want to maintain the size of the image, so I'll just go back. This is how we can put image. And we can also click here in the shape tool option. And from the shape tool option, we'll go to place image and video. And once I come here, if I want to select any image, I can do that. And suppose I want to import more than one image at the same time. So I'll be selecting like this. Here you can see I'll just select till this much. And now I can open this. And here you can see now I'm having 11 images on my mouse. So what I'll do is I'll create the size the way I want. Okay, so here I will put another. So like this, I can actually change or put so many different images at the same time. And if I do click on Control Shift, here you guys will be able to see that it will grow on proportionally. Okay, but I don't need that. I'll take this, and this here. Okay, it's done. So I'll show you guys the whole page. And here you can see I do have my images here. And as this is so many files, I'll just put them inside a frame, select, and I'll choose frame selection. So now here you can see this is under a frame. Okay. So this is another frame. I'll just keep this in one side. So this is how the shortcut method or the best way how you can place your image. Or if you do have a video, you can also import a video as well. So let me come here back again. So I'll just zoom in to this particular page here, zoom out a little bit, click this one and bring it here in the middle. Okay, so now I do have this. And here what basically we can do is if I select this particular layer, suppose I want to select this whole layer. Okay, just this two layers here. Okay, this is one frame. So let me see what all is underneath that. Okay, I do have this frames. So yeah, now what I'll be doing is I'll just take out this particular image from here and I'll be putting on an image of my own. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is once I have selected this image, I'll come to this fill option. Okay, click on this one, and here you can see I have the option of image. So here you can see I selected this option image, and now if I just go back or click enter, now I do have this one. And now if I go to this fill option, here you can see I can choose an image. So suppose I want to put this image there, so I'll just click on open. Here you can see I do have the image just underneath this. Okay, I do have my image here. As you can see, I do have it. And here again, I will try to make a shape. Suppose I'll just take a circle, make a circle here, click on this fill option, image, choose an image from here, and maybe I'll take this, I'll open this one. Here you can see I do have my image as well here in the center. Okay, so this is how you can basically put up your image inside a particular icon as well. So I'll just delete this one. So this is how you can do that. Okay, and now if again I come to this fill option here, so as I do have an image here, okay, I'll choose. So as I do have this one, I can also change the exposure of this, also the contrast, the way I want I can actually do. So this is not Photoshop, but we can do some of the basic editing of your image from here. Okay, if I want to increase the temperature, I can do that, and I will just use this tint a little bit. Here you can see, or it's yeah, highlights and the shadows. Okay, so this is fine. I'm happy with this. And here I can also rotate the image into 90-degree from here. As you can see, I can rotate this, so I'll keep it like this now. So hope you guys have understood this class of how you can actually put up image according to the way you want. So here you can also animate the text, or if you want to put any text box somewhere here, like if you want to put and you want to write like featured by Figma. See? And I'll just click outside, take this on top, yeah, I can do it like that. And here you can see I'm just able to select this box, and I can actually change the box size as well. So now you know that how you can play around with this particular application in the images option. Okay, so in next class we'll learn about how you can mask an image and how you can also crop that particularly. So hope to see you all in the next tutorial, and take care and goodbye.